Guys, today I'm playing Bee Swarm, but I've played this game a lot. I just recently came back to it. I played this game back in 2023 or 2021, I don't remember. But this game is actually pretty fun now since I'm starting to play it again. I just played it yesterday and I got it addicted. So I'ma just grind for in this game. Alright. Earlier, I spawned in a sprout, and then I got a silver egg from it. Right here. About right here. Silver egg from sprout. And I can show it from right here. Right now, I'm trying to grind for the petal one. Hold up, I'm gonna have to pause it. Alright, so, right here, I'm trying for the petal wand. And, I need 25 of the glitter, enzymes, and star jellies. I'm close with the star jellies, I just need one more, but I need the spirit petal to get it. But this is gonna cost a lot to make. And right now I'm only at 34, 35, I don't remember. 37 enzymes right now, so there's a lot of grinding to do. So let's continue. I just need one more ticket for the ticket shop. Gonna have to find it. Oh wait, I know the king beetle. King beetle, let's go. Oh, I need 6 more hours. Let's see what else I can grind. Can grind the spider. Oh yeah, I need to kill one from. I'm almost there for the polar bear. All right, polar bear quest done. So, all right, you stupid polar bear. I just got your quest down, but you barely give me anything good. So, yeah, see, there's nothing good. What is this trail mix? Oh my god. At least it's kind of easy, I guess. Just hold up. I'm gonna have to do this quick. So we're gonna grind in this field. We're gonna grind. What the? Bro, what is this person doing here? So this is a new person. I might as well just help them, I guess. Just get these things. I get a lot of blue things. I barely get any red things. I'm still trying to do one of the quests I have to get 5,000 red boost tokens, and I kind of don't want to sacrifice most of my bees because most of them are just gifted bees, and I don't want to risk my gifted bees. So I'm gonna just do all these things. Let's go. Ooh, the ball. This is good. Yes, I have dog bee, which is one of the worst bees from what I know. But I need treats, bro. Just grind it here. No. Oh my god. Where's it? Oh, one of the balls back. No. Keep it there. Oh my goodness, you stupid dog. You stupid. Come on, give me the. Yeah, keep it over there. Keep it over there. Oh gosh, it went away. No, I can't get it. Well, I got 64 out of those. Alright, I gotta go back up. And I already done it. Now I just need to go back to Sunflower Field. Alright, so now I'm Sunflower Field. I think I finished all the quests for Mother Bear. Yeah, I finished all of them for Mother Bear, so I'm gonna just continue grinding here. It wouldn't take that long. I just need a lot of things. It's just 50,000. It's pretty easy. Okay, so yes, yeah, now it should be good. At least get honey from this. Okay, that should be good. Oh wait, I forgot to get my daily honey. Okay, so if I'm gonna use one of my things, so at least empty my thing. ladybug pop. Oh no, it's a long quest. So I'm gonna not do that, but just do the cact. So it's the brown bear quest for cactus. This should be good, I guess. I'm already earning a lot of honey. I think I'm gonna use one of my items here. I want to use a few dice, but those are pretty good, so I'm gonna just use this. The blue extract. Okay, so... Oh, a leaf! What the? That's weird. Oh, I need to check my stickers. Oh, crap. Let's see my sticker inbox. I don't need this. I don't need this. Actually, I couldn't use that. Oh crap, my sticker inbox is full. I have a lot, so I'm gonna just discard this. I'm gonna add it to my thing later. Okay, keep grinding because I gotta do the solo cactus. Wait, I also need to use a red extract. I feel like becoming a blue hive, but that would be wrong. I don't know what hive to become because I use a lot of blue, but when I'm in a red field, I rarely get anything. I wonder if any new codes came out because I mostly used all of them. Or the ones that I tried to use were expired. Oh, I gotta... My bear cub. Oh no, my bear cub. Don't mind the name. Don't mind the name. Ooh, it's night. There goes the balloon. Here comes another one though. I'm putting another one. This should at least give me 2 times pollen. Dog, I need speed. Is Vicious Bee somewhere or something? Ooh, yo, where? Yes, give me the speed. I need the speed. This is good. Okay, let's see what we can buy from the shop, because I have now 500. I don't know what to buy. You could either buy Festive Bee or Tabby Bee. I think I'm gonna be a Tabby Bee. I'm gonna use that. Let me see if I can buy a new slot. I need another slot. Oh, that's 600. 600 for the next hive slot. Okay, then yeah, I might have to replace one of my bees. Hope I get cactus. Let's go. Okay. Should be better. I love this game. Why isn't this game only have 50,000 players, bro? Game should get loved more. This gameplay right here. I thought I was a good person. Now there's just someone else. I forgot I had the tadpole bee. Oh wait, don't I have the basic? Yeah, I have a gifted. I mostly discovered all of them except for Precise Bee, Spicy Bee, and Vector Bee. I don't have Windy Bee either. Sad. Oh yeah, okay, let's go to help Vicious Bee. Oh no, that person's already defeated it. Well, I'm gonna have to lower down this volume, bro. There, that should be better. It's a blue frog. Oh no, that's a gifted one. Let's go get my ticket. Let's harvest this.
Like in the game?
It's good because I'm still need to do the. Which one was it again?
Let's go, Kenya.
This one.
Kenya.
Collect 25 strawberries from planters.
Kenya.
So let's see if we can get some. Oh, there we go. I completed it. Let's go to the Dapper Bear. Okay, so it will take a long time, but I'm gonna have to. I will pause. Alright, well, I'm here to the Dapper Bear. Let's see what you give me, Dapper Bear. 10 million. Thank you, Dapper Bear. What do you need, Dapper Bear? Oh, Star Jelly. Okay, let's see what's it. Collect 2. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be hard. Okay, I need the nature's lesson one, so this could be. Let's go. See if I can. Ooh, mushrooms. Just hold up. I need it. Oh, I need to get them. Okay, I need. Give me this. Bamboo field? Bro, I need blue flower. Oh, we know blue flowers. That's good, actually. No, it's a. Well. Ugh, it's a blue backpack. Well, it's just run my day now. Oh, ticket, thanks. Keep on giving. See, this one takes us to Spiderfield. Come on, bees. Why aren't you doing anything? Now I gotta go back. Oh, I managed to at least get a little hit on it. Ah, well, just a spirit. Okay, so let's go back to Bamboo Field. It will take a long time, but since I have a lot of gun drops, so I might use this. Turn off the auto. I have gummy bees, so they can help me too. Just place down some sprinklers. Okay, so I need 10 million goo. Another. Okay, so this should be good. Over 6 million, so we should be there in just a few seconds, maybe. I'm gonna cut the gameplay out soon. Just wait. Alright, just got finishing done. Using the gumdrops to blue flowers. I finally finished it. It's right here. Collect 10 million goo. 10 million goo, alright. From them blue flowers. So now. Oh, I have to do one of them. Okay, so how much seeds do I have? I have 70 seeds. This will be difficult if I don't have any, like. I don't have any seeds. Well, Please give me mushroom field. Rose field. Frick you. Okay, let's go to Rose field and slaughter the bee ladybug. What did I say, bee? So now we just have to endlessly grind in this field. This will take a long time because 50 million. So, yeah. Okay, while all this happening, a honey storm happened. So, oh my goodness, it's so laggy. Can't do anything. Chicken should spawn, so that's kind of good, I guess. But right now, I don't care about that. Oh, never mind. Another ticket. I love it when sometimes people do that, but it gets so laggy. So, ooh, Mondo check. Okay, let's go to Mondo check. What the hell? I hate the. Don't you dare, stupid bear. Oh gosh, yes, thank you, Digital Bee. Kill him. Kill that stupid Mondo chick. Kill that man. Ouch. Stop dancing. Okay, I need to collect these to stack up my speed boost. Oh gosh, I ran into him. I forgot what this music note does. 100% critical power. Okay, so that's good. Oh gosh, I slowed down from the speed. Give me that focus. You better not. Okay. I need another freaking. I'm glad I have two baby bees, bro. So one spawns their baby luck. Rage bee. That gives me more attack power. Stupid Mondo chick. Oh! Ow! Oh gosh, I'm one hit from death. Okay, this should work for now. I just realized I'm another hit from death. I got a bit too close. Oh gosh, I let myself be killed. Crap. Okay, so let's add that. I don't think I added it. Okay, didn't add that. Come on, you stupid bees. Still gotta kill that Mondo chick. Alright, come on, bees. Got a Mondo chick to kill. Oh god, oh! Yeah, I'm gonna just pause till my bees come. Okay, my bees just came back and I forgot to unpause it, so my bees are just attacking. Oh my goodness, I actually hate you, stupid cub bear. Whoever thinks that's cute, I hate it. I actually hate it. Okay, guys, so still getting this dumb. Oh, come on, get out of your shell. There. Okay, so come on. We gotta kill this guy. I'll come back when we kill this guy. Okay, so I just killed this Mondo chick. Let's hope I can get something good from here. Okay, come on, please something good. I've seen all those videos out there. Oh man, it's just gonna be all honey, isn't it? I mean, some treats at least, and oh, there's at least a dice. That's good. Some treats. So 6 million from that Mondo chick. Let's go back to our base. Let's make some honey. Okay, so okay, so pine tree forest. Well, I'm getting distracted. I'm getting off track right now. Gosh, 225 seeds from the wind shrine is gonna be difficult. So I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so I just donated it to the bee. Oh, I forgot about comets. I should go do it. It's been so long. And then the sticker stacker. Okay, so if I afford 5 tickets. Okay. Well, I need this. I need a magic bean, bro. Okay, let's do the comments. What is it? The mythic meteor show. Okay. Ooh, that's a really small one. Small ones are really good. Okay, so okay, this one's good. Ooh, 2 in 1. No charm, that's good, I guess. I've seen enough videos to see that the small ones are gooder ones. Ooh, this is a small one. I need the baby luck. Oh, no, that's a way smaller one. Ooh, that's a small one. Oh, I got a purple potion. That's really good. Oh, this one. No, that was a really small one. Ooh, that's a really. Okay, let's. Oh, it's done. Well, I think I might end it here. So that was a good grind for today. And yeah, might as well just say goodbye. Alright guys, goodbye.